it's your sunshine, you're my sunshine, it's Shane, and today I'm back with another video, and this video is actually unexpected because I just, what do you call it? So this video is actually unexpected because I just joined a giveaway. They're giving away a tote bag which is inspired by SB19. So the mechanics is to stream their new song 50 times. So since I've been streaming, so I joined and unexpectedly I won. And today we'll be unboxing it, or should I say unwrapping it, because it's not in a box. It's actually just here. Also, before I forgot, they announced that they will put 5 or 6 photo cards to one of the winners. Hi baby, say hi to my vlog. Hi! This is my nephew. What's your name?
I'm Mr. Meat.
Mr. Meat? What's your name?
I'm chubby Mr. Meat.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
As I was saying, they also include photo cards to one of the winners. They didn't announce who it was, but let's see if the lucky winner is me. What are we waiting for? Let's open this. So here it is. So first, of course, let's not forget to sanitize. Sanitize. Yeah, so I'm very excited. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I'll be opening it now. Okay. Let's stop laughing and start unwrapping this. Oh my gosh! It's so pretty! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so pretty! Oh my god! I did not expect this to be pretty. Oh my gosh! I saw something! Oh my god! Okay. Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down. Okay, wow, it's so pretty. Look! Oh my gosh. Hey! Look, it's so pretty. And look at that! It's Alab. It's so pretty. I love it. It's actually my first time to win something like this. It's so pretty. I love it so much. The details. Oh my gosh! And this design is called Fire. Yeah. And they also have 2 more designs, which is the Ikalawang Yugto and the Ano. Yeah. Special thanks also to @XXX SB19 XXX and to Eigh'tin Avenue for doing this giveaway. I really love this so much. Yeah, so pretty. I saw something and I don't know if this is the photo card, but oh my gosh! So this is Stell. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is Stell and this is Josh. Hey! So I got Stell and Josh. Yeah, that's basically it. Actually, it's so pretty. I'm sweating right now. Like, look. Ow!
Raining tacos. Out the street, tacos. Naughty task, why? Mess open your mouth and close your eyes.
And that's it. Thank you for watching, and also thank you to at XXX SB19 XXX and to Eigh'tin Avenue for this giveaway. And I hope you guys like it, and see you on my next video. Stream what by SB19. And that